Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to stop automatically following other Instagram accounts. The first thing I want you to do is actually open your Instagram app and then come here and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now I want you to come at the top right, you'll see these three horizontal lines. I want you to tap on this to open up your settings menu. And now we are under settings and activity, okay? Just scroll down until you see this right here. Okay, scroll all the way down until you're under your app and media, and then click on app website permissions. Okay, click here on apps and websites. Okay, and then you will see your active apps and websites that have permissions. These connected third-party apps basically go ahead and follow other people's Instagram accounts. So you remove this, click on remove again, and you should see right here under removed. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.